Hello YouTube, this is a short video for dealing with the scenario where you have accidentally deleted a register worksheet. Normally I would recommend that you re-download a fresh copy of the checkbook spreadsheet and then copy-paste your transactions over to that fresh copy. And I'll put a link to that YouTube video in the description below on how to do that. But if you didn't really need that extra green register worksheet anyway, and you just want to fix things so that the dashboard and report screen works, this video is for you. Here in this sample spreadsheet, what I'll do is duplicate the potential issues. So for example, let's say that I decided to either on purpose or accidentally delete one of the register worksheets. So I'll just delete this register 2 worksheet. After doing so, if I then, went to either the dashboard or the report screen, if you have the 2025 version, you will get an error. So when I click on the refresh charts button, I'm getting an error about, being unable to find a table named register 2. Same thing would happen on the report screen. And I'll mention, you can't just, create a new worksheet called Register 2, or even, you can't even just copy one of these and call it Register 2 and get this resolved. So again, it's either best to download a fresh copy and then copy paste all your transactions, or follow along for the next steps. Okay, so we'll have to go visit the data menu, and under the data menu, under the Get Data button, there's a choice for Launch Power Query Editor. So that's what we have to do. Launch the Power Query Editor. And when that comes up, you'll likely see that there's a warning on the register that got deleted, as well as a warning on the all registers. We'll go visit all registers, so I'll click on that, and then you have to click on the source. Under the Apply Steps, click on Source, and then you'll need to click your cursor up in here and get rid of whichever register you had accidentally deleted. So in this case, I deleted register 2, so I'm just going to backspace up, and get rid of that, making sure that I still got the right syntax, that there's a register comma and then another register comma, making sure it looks like that. And then when you click your mouse somewhere else, it will sort of refresh the screen. Notice that the all registers is now no longer featuring a warning or error. And I could at this point just go ahead and click on close and load, and that'd be fine. But if I like to just kind of clean this up, if I now go back and try to right click and choose to delete that register, it should let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so we'll now click on the close and load button. And this will have automatically refreshed that report screen, and I can verify that I can click on the button and don't get any error anymore. All right. So that's it for how to fix that. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing if this has been helpful.